ناظرین اکرام السلام علیکم، آپ کا ہمارے چینل ٹی ایس انڈیا میں استقبال ہے۔
Sir, we are having a debate on a statement. I was expecting that they will table the report and we'll have a discussion on the report. You are talking about saying that the survey conducted by BRS was not tabled. Yes, they did a mistake. You spoke on length on that. So why are you running away from tabling that report in this house? Table the report, let us study that and have a debate and we can give us suggestions on that. What is this, sir? We are only having a discussion. We are having a discussion on a statement. Unfortunately, it wasn't spoken by any of the members, sir. I hope that all the members sitting here, cutting across the political parties, whether it is BJP or BRS, will support my demand, and I demand that the report to be tabled in the House. Give us a time, we'll read and we'll come up with a suggestion and say that whether your survey is right, wrong, good, bad, whatever it is. Table the report. Why are you running away from tabling the report?
I stand to oppose the President address motion. Sir, I start by putting to this House how this foreign policy for our country has been compromised from what its traditional position has been. Sir, take the case of Palestine. 61,709 Palestinians have been killed. 1,11,588 have been injured. India is a signatory to, India is a part to Genocide Convention, and the Genocide Convention says that anyone who is party to the Genocide Convention must contribute to ensure it prohibits from contributing to genocide and also requires to take steps to prevent it. Sir, not a single hospital is there in Gaza. This country, this great nation of mine, had constructed 2 floors of a library in a university. Those universities and that library has been finished. You have 1.2 million people being made homeless. Deliberate starvation has happened. And people have no drinking water. And what do we see now? We have heard the Prime Minister saying, I'll stop the war in Ukraine. Where is my Prime Minister? Where is this government? Why are they keeping quiet on this genocide which is being perpetrated on the Palestinians? What has been the traditional stance of our country, from Mahatma Gandhi up to all the Prime Ministers? Why can't we oppose the genocide? We are party to the Genocide Convention. I am warning this government that when the genocide history of Gaza will be written, this Prime Minister will also be in the list of accomplices. I demand from the government that let our country take the responsibility of constructing the health sector in Gaza. Invite more Palestinians to India on scholarship. Let them rebuild that Gaza. We cannot be part. How can we allow arms to be exported to Israel? An Indian ship was stopped in Spain. We are signatory to this Genocide Convention. How will history remember us? With what face can we face the world? Sir, second point. India's moral voice is dead in Palestine, sir. It is completely dead in Palestine, sir.
انشاءاللہ مزید اپڈیٹ کے ساتھ آپ سے ملاقات ہوتی رہے گی۔ آپ سے گزارش ہے چینل کو سبسکرائب کریں۔ اللہ حافظ۔